Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to join a server in Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. On Discord, you almost always need to have an invite link to join a server. And depending on the way the link is set up, it might expire 24 hours after creation, so you may have to move quickly if you receive a link. So, how to join a server on Discord? It's very simple. So first of course, we have to open our Discord. Now, if you want to join a server, you can just click on here, the plus icon in here at server. Here, so you can create your own server. You can start from a template. There's a template for gaming server, friends, study group, social group, local community, artists, and creators. Because you want to join a server, you can just click on a server, join a server. So in here, you can just enter the link of the server that you want to join. Okay, we'll enter the server. Wait. HTTPS double slash discord dot gg slash, and you can enter the code, the server code. Now after that, you can click on join server. So here you go. Now you have entered the server on your Discord. It's very simple, right? And if you receive a link from your Discord on your DM, maybe the server link, like this for example, I will send to, okay, this one. So you get message, the server link, you can just click on join in here. You don't need to enter the code of the server. It's very simple, right? So that is how to join server on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.